How to make him miss you badly. Do you want him thinking about you? Remember that in the seduction game, the one that throws the best strategies is the winner. Therefore, act cunningly, so that man always thinks about you and die to see you. 1. Do not be as available. You want to be the center of his attention, therefore, you cannot grab his attention. Remember that man is a hunter and he loves the game. So what you have to do is make yourself more interesting and reject 1 or 2 invitations, do not respond to his calls as fast or allow some missed calls. 2. Admire him a little. Men love you to caress them their ego, but without raising him to heaven. Feeling admired and pleased will make him want a new date with you. Or wouldn't you repeat a date with someone that turns your ego up? 3. Have a life. A man wants a woman who is independent, that is attainable, but not always. Put up any of your talents, skills or hobbies so he knows you have a pleasant life away from him. That will make you desirable and worthy to catch. 4. Let him see you surrounded by people. Seeing you happy will make him want to be part of the scene. So don't just be aware of him or his dates. Take some time to be with your friends. So he will not only value you as someone who everybody want to be close to, but he'll miss you and will look forward to giving you those special moments. 5. Laugh at him and with him. Dare to send him funny and naughty messages, without telling him on the second line what you miss. Talk with freedom and grace. Let him propose you a new meeting when he misses you and cannot wait any longer. 6. Be fun and playful. Men will always want to be kids who want to laugh and play around. So they will be pleased with someone who makes jokes, laughs at the world and even at herself. Remembering those pleasant sensations will make him miss you and wanting to go for more. 7. Be an adventurous woman. That will make him miss you, wanting to know how well it was for you and what or who you met on your journey. Hunter men will never want another guy to take his prey.